Welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a 95 Ford Bronco. It is an Eddie Bauer edition. And this guy's clean. It's like a red and maroon, deeper red color. It's got a beigeish top right here. Interior is tan. And this drives great, as you'll see soon. If you're looking for an everyday driver, like the Broncos, want something rugged, tough, it's going to be able to throw around, wipe the dirt off, and keep going, this is the ride for you. I mean, this has just been taken care of. You can tell just how well it is. Let's look inside real quick. There's the door. The inside is a leather inside. Got an extra row of seats in the back there. Headliner's great condition. I mean, just a beautiful car. Got a little updated radio system there for you. Air blows ice cold. Let's go ahead, start her up, take a look underneath, and then we'll take her for a ride. Hey, how's it going out?
Good. Some air conditioning in this bad boy. Doesn't that feel nice?
It's ice cold.
So here we are. Eddie Bauer Bronco, man, and this thing, just love these old, heavy, big SUVs, you know, compared to the new ones. They had such a ride to them. Look at that, going over that big bump out of the driveway, no creaks, nothing. Really nice ice cold air conditioning. We got us a truck pulling out.
Yeah.
All right, I can make it. All the gauges work, Mark. Tachometer works, speedometer, oil gauge, temperature gauge, all good.
Yeah, this drives nice and true.
Yeah, look at that steering wheel. Nice and straight.
Nice and straight. Ice cold. Smooth. Quiet. Yeah, it's a great everyday drive.
Yes, it is.
All right.
Oh, they had some class back in the day, didn't they?
Yeah. Cool.
All right, I'll spin her around and we'll get her up on the hoist.
Sounds good. Thank you. All right, we got her here up on the lift. And this is just gorgeous underneath. Very clean, very strong. Everything looks to be in place. No rust. Wow. This isn't as old as the other ones that we usually see up on the lift, but it has been holding on very well. It's been taken very well care of. Here's from the back side, have a little bit better of a light coming in here from the door. And as usual, folks, give us a call, shoot us an email, follow us on Facebook, and we'd love to see this off the lot with you. All right, have a great day.